In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Temu to TikTok Shop. The first thing you need to do is go to Temu and choose the product you want to promote. Once you've selected the product, click the share button. You'll see it as an icon on the product page. Next, save a few pictures of that specific product. You can either download the images directly or take a screenshot and edit them as needed. After saving the images, open the TikTok app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to create a new post. If prompted, allow TikTok to take pictures and record video. Now, upload the product picture you saved earlier. Once the image is uploaded, tap Next. You can make any edits you like here. Paste the Temu product link you copied earlier into the post description. Finally, click Post. Your product is now posted on your TikTok account, connected through the link from Temu. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.